We're out here in the Ocean Terrace neighborhood in Bandon today, looking at a 3/4 acre home site at the end of a cul-de-sac. This one's already cleared with underground city utilities and a geotech report done and ready to go, which takes a lot of the early legwork off a buyer's plate. Being at the end of a cul-de-sac keeps traffic minimal, and as you can see, the lot's already cleared and ready to go. There's a 1,600 square foot minimum for site-built construction, including the garage, which keeps the neighborhood consistent. The lot sits in a quiet residential area, surrounded by existing newer homes. Walking the property, the terrain is workable, giving you flexibility for how you want to position your home, garage, and outdoor space. With the clearing done and the geotech report in hand, a buyer can skip straight to the fun part, design and planning. The lot faces east, which gives you morning light and views towards the Johnson Creek watershed out back. It's a nice natural backdrop. You get that sense of separation from the neighbors without being out in the middle of nowhere. I'm standing here on the northern boundary between these two fence corners, mostly just to identify that this is a separate lot behind me. The geotech report is complete and available, which is a bigger deal than it sounds. It covers soil conditions and foundation planning, saving you time and uncertainty down the road. There's also no HOA here. You've got flexibility in how you build while still following local building codes and neighborhood CC&Rs. Buyers look at vacant land from a lot of different angles. Some are ready to build their primary home. Others are looking for a coastal lot now to build when the timing's right. If you're looking for a lot in Bandon, quiet neighborhood, city utilities, close to the coast, this one checks the boxes. Use the link in the comments if you'd like more details, want to see the geotech report, or just want to check out the property. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.